Alright, we're in Zug, Switzerland, climbing up a mountain here. It's very foggy. You can't see much right now, but Maeve says that we'll be able to see something maybe when we get up there, but so far, I don't see much. I can see Maeve. Maeve's here, and Carol's here, and of course, I'm here, but we won't be able to see anything below, I don't think. But this is very like mystic, you know. It's mystic. It's a magical land. I think we're following the yellow brick road. So we're gonna see the snow wizard when we get to the top.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the snow wizard. Okay. We'll keep my seatbelt on though. Here's some local coming from above. Yeah. And these roads, by the way, are very small. And yeah, it's a 2 lane, but it looks like a 1 lane. It's a good thing there's nobody coming down. See, this would be cool to drive with a nice, like, really nice little car, you know, going fast. The roads are actually pretty good, you know, because they cleaned them pretty good up here. So, but as you can see, you cannot see much. A lot of snow.
The sun.
The sun? Oh, we're reaching up. The sun's peeking through. We're going above this mist, but look at that. You can't really see it that cool. But this is actually up here, like we just passed through a town that's like where he tells me everybody's rich in that town. The house not. Oh shit! Yeah, you see that? He got scared. This time I didn't even get scared this time. He got scared. Oh my god! I wonder what the view from up here would be like if I could see down below. Oh, there's the sun over there. Oh shit! Somebody's coming and he's pulling over. She's pulling over. She's pissed off that he's driving on this road too.
People from Zurich are always pissed off.
Yeah, everybody looks pissed off here, man. I don't understand that shit. Holy smoke! There's the sun. We're going above the freaking clouds. Okay, these people, great that they all decide to come at the same time. Damn it! This is so ridiculous, man. Oh, he's backing up, so you can pass by. That's cool. That's cool. She looks pissed at you, bro. Oh, look at this. The sun's out up here. Oh, and it's clear. We're above. We are above the clouds. Look at that shit.
We are above the clouds.
We are above the clouds.
Oh, beautiful weather.
Look at this. It cleared up.
And the blue sky.
Oh my God. Look at that. It's clear up here. It's actually clear up here. It's too. Look at that. You can finally see it. Because we're like, oh, you know. Oh, look at that. Look at that, bro. Look at the clouds. Look at the clouds down there. We are above the clouds. This is very cool. We are now part of the Sky Village.
Very cool.
The Sky people. We are now Sky people. Look at that. Look at that. Open your window, mate. Look at that. Look at that. Look at those clouds.
Sky, huh?
We are above the clouds. Can you believe that? I am now a part of the Sky Clan. We are above the clouds. Holy moly. Whoa, look at that. Oh shit. Bright light. Oh shit. The sun's blinding me. Wait. Wait a minute. Okay. Holy moly. Okay. To be continued. Shit. We just had to let 3 cars pass by because this road is too small to fit 2 cars. I don't know how.
Da bin ich mal gewesen, wo es etwa 30 cm, 20-30 cm Schnee war mit dem Landtrag. Da bin ich ein paar Mal so dran.
We are not at the top yet.
No. Der Landtrag ist scheißegal, er ist leicht, aber ich kann knapp so ein Schiss, kann das wieder noch haben.
Look at that down there. See the clouds down there? Wow, that looks so cool, bro. Are you kidding me right here? This is nuts, man. All these people decide to come down the mountain while we're coming up. The last time we went up that other mountain, there was like nobody there. Oh shit, great. Oh, come on. We're stuck on the mountain.
No.
Almost stuck on the mountain. You got a good driver over here. Look at that. Look at that. Go ahead, do that again.
Nope.
Yo, what's up, my man? Planning on doing a little bike riding down the road, down the mountain.
Ah,
Look at that. Oh man.
ist das nicht geil, dort?
Look at that. We are officially above the clouds. My ears are getting clogged. Ah! Ah! Jesus. Oh man, some other guy now is coming. Jeez.
Jesus!
Oh, he pulled over. Oh, now he's gonna keep going. Oh no, he pulled over. Okay. Very good. Good boy, good boy. Oh, this guy's jogging up the mountain. That's something. Look at this.
It's a good place.
He's jogging up the mountain. Jogging up the mountain. And there they are. All the clouds down there. Oh, this sucks, man. Where are all these people coming from? This sucks, man. We're gonna get stuck up here, man. Watch. Say thank you, pendejo. She's just out for a stroll. Oh, wait, there's kids up there playing in the snow, right?
Yeah.
Oh, this is so cool. Lindsay would love it here. Oh, my God. This is very cool. Damn, this sun's blinding.
So, wir sind jetzt auf der vorletzten und da.
Jeez, and the cars continue. Holy smoly, man. When we came up the mountain the other day, there was like no traffic. This is a much busier mountain, huh?
Yeah.
This is beautiful up here, though, man. Yeah. The kids playing with their sleds. Yeah, they have their little sleds. So these people come up here to bring their kids to play in the snow as well. She's playing in the snow. I don't know what she's building. This lady has a baby carriage with a baby in it. All the way up here. One of the cloud people. Say hey, lady. Oh, she got a baby in there. This is crazy. Oh, look at the cows. Look at the cows.
Military.
What? Military? What?
Yeah.
Oh, the military. Hey. The military's here. Hey! Oh, more cows. These are small. There's some places where, like when I was in Mexico, the military would not let you film them.
No?
No.
Das ist neu. Das ist früher nicht gewesen.
What happened?
This is new.
What's new?
Antes podías pasar por aquí con el coche. Then.
Oh, shit. Oh, we can't go through that. Look at this. I can't even imagine what it would be like to live up here in the mountains above the clouds.
Hello.
He's looking at me like, what do you want? What do you want to look at? What are you looking at? Walking down the road. Hello. She looked at me like I'm crazy. You saw that? She gave me a dirty look. Look at the kids over here playing ice hockey.
This is internal school for rich people.
Internal school for rich people? You mean rich kids?
Aquí pagas.
Well, they're like rich. The kids not rich. They're parents.
Esto es imposible.
Look at these guys. This is cool. Oh, Chalet Suisse. Oh, this is a quaint little place. Oh shit. Gonna get stuck.
Okay, finished. We can walk.
We can walk over there and
Over
look at
there.
the. Okay.
This is the end.
Okay, we got out the car, and I'll come over here and say hello to the cows.
Hey, touch your cow.
Touch a cow? Yeah, he's probably gonna bite my ass if I try to touch him. Hey, what's going on, guys? He's got like, who are you? This is a big baby here, right here. He says hi. Hi. Hey, hello. Hey, man, he blew monkeys at me. Hi. Hello there. Hi. Hi. Don't bite me. He's like, don't touch me. What's going on, guys? You're a big dude, huh? Dude, he's big, man. All these cows, they go for the slaughter for beef?
No.
No?
Para leche.
Oh, for milk.
Yeah, for milk.
Oh, he's like, yo, what's going on? He bullied his way through because he wants to see what's going on. He's like, what's going on? He's like, hey, what's going on, big guy? Hi. Hi.
Cool.
Hey. Bye, guys. Come back for some milk later. This is nice over here. Wow, look at that. Walking this way? There's the kids up there in the mountain. You hear them?
Yeah.
They're having a blast. And it's funny because it's not that cold up here.
No.
And we are above the clouds, man.
We are above the clouds.
We are above the clouds.
Oh shit.
Oh shit. What the fuck? Oh, yo, holy shit. I almost sank. Where the hell you taking me to? I got snow all up in my yo, dude. That shit is deep over there. Damn. My sneakers are soaked now. Oh man, what's that crap? Jeez. Good idea, Maeve. Good idea.
You follow me.
I followed you because I thought you knew where you were going. Damn, it smells over here. Okay. We're walking towards the clouds. Time out. And we continue. Somebody was throwing snowballs at us, bro. Oh, we're gonna see the clouds below. And this is not even the highest peak. Well, maybe in this little section it is. But I see some bigger mountains across over there. But the sun is really bright. What is this place here? What's this? You going in there for? Oh, observation. Cool. All right, here we go. Taking you guys with me so you can see what I see. Wait, I can't smoke in there. Okay, here we go. Holy moly. Look at this. Okay, those are the clouds down there. So I have officially come above the clouds. See that, Carol? Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Hold on. Time out.